Good afternoon. I don't know if y'all can hear that or not. I can. We have some hungry pigs. And so I've got to unload all this. We got a hog feed, corn, and laying pellets for the chickens. We're gonna unload it into the side by side and take it out there and feed everybody. I wanna have some scraps. So scraps make happy piggies. Anyway, I was just gonna bring everybody along with us today as we feed our animals. Okay, so now I have everything loaded and I'm gonna bring it in here and we're gonna put it in our feed tub because we like to mix the hog feed and I think we're gonna mix corn. We got whole corn this time. So we're gonna mix it and take it, and then our chickens also, we mix theirs with the laying pellets and the corn and the hog feed. Because our chickens actually like the hog feed too. So we gotta go check on our chickens, see how the little ones are doing. With the big ones, we put them in there last night. So I think Jake is gonna combine those two videos. And let me get all this unloaded and mixed up and we will show you what it looks like from there. Okay, so here we go. We are back in the feed shed. We got everything unloaded. I have some helpers sitting. There's our chicken pellets, or laying pellets. And I'm gonna mix the laying pellets with the hog feed and then put our hog feed in here for this is for the 3 piglets. They will get a bucket full and the scraps because they cry if they don't. And Drover, he loves to get very deep in that knitting. Every time I come out here, they're both out here with me and Drover lays in the knitting. Anyway. There we go, over to the pig pen to feed the pigs. John Luke is wearing his normal attire of nothing. So, see how close we can get before everybody. I don't know how people don't look at themselves in the camera. That's kind of, I'm struggling. Not doing that. Ooh, somebody got shot. There they go. They're getting hyped up. All right, John. This is the little pig's food.
Shit on the pigs.
Yeah. Go over there. Film the pigs.
And cookies. Big old pig, big old pig. Look at him.
So then we take our other bucket and we feed Mama Pig, Mercy, up there by the, and she has her own trough. So that's because she is pregnant. We think she's pregnant again.
Because there's her piglets.
Her belly is so bad. And so then I have to take this bucket to Mercy. Go over there, John, so you can film her running.
Alright.
I gotta hurry.
There's chumps. And there's sheep. Okay, John.
Come on, Mercy.
Mercy is further And there she is.
Alright, so pigs are happy and fed. Oh yeah. Mama Mercy is pregnant, which by the way, her name is Mercy from the children's books Mercy Watson. We had Mercy and Peppa, and Peppa decided she got out and wouldn't mind and wasn't as docile. And here's the big old man. This is our daddy pig, if you can't tell. And I'm 5'7", and he is almost to my hips, so he is a big old boy. And he's just a baby. He loves to be petted. Alright, so we're driving over to our chickens. Oh, our neighbor's getting some work done, so yeah, that about where they are, maybe a little further back, ends our property line. And I don't know if he rented that or what, but anyway, so that is the field, which I think is so pretty. It's not ours, but man, it's so pretty. Anyway, there's our garden. We'll be picking okra in a little while, and I think we're just done with it, so Jake's gonna bush hog it down. But here are all the birds. Yeah, so we'll put the feed in this. It looks very... No, not yet. Wait. We've had quite weird weather here in Brookhaven, so oh my goodness. Look at that rooster. Oh, he's so pretty. He's staying. That one's leaving. Now, yeah, Daddy told me that she's having a really hard time. So I might need to check on her because she's... Anyway, so John Luke's gonna come feed us. That's also a rooster, and I think he's super pretty. That's Cluck Norris. That's also a rooster. And I think we have another one. Yeah, and you can kind of tell our hen's backs are kind of getting... She's so pretty. We hatched her. We hatched both of them. They were... This one and this one were black. And, oh, they're so pretty. He's a rooster. Them two are roosters. Yeah, so I don't know what we're gonna do with them. But John Luke is gonna come film. This is our tote. But this was a waterer that doesn't work anymore, and we keep that there because the chickens will get up here and knock their feeder down. So
Take the bucket. We don't do this every day because most of the time it don't get like a lot of feed out. But just every once in a while.
yeah, so that's our bucket, and then they just stick their little heads in there and they get dry, good food. And but I always put some on the ground for them just because, oh man, I just hate that chicken is, I don't want to, I would prefer not to lose those. Oh, oh, oh. Quit, John. All right, so
This will put a white girl. I got it. She picked at it.
you can scoot back. I just don't see where she's hurt or anything. Okay. We're gonna take her back to the chicken tractor and let her just recover. Yeah, I guess. Maybe we should come check on her this afternoon. You think?
Yeah. Chicken's head out.
Chicken fight.
Chicken fight.
Oh, I hate
I love these roosters right here. Little black thingies.
Yeah, they're pretty. Yep. These are called silver lace Wyandottes.
Better love her too.
Yeah, that's my little boy right there. He's a good boy. Makes me proud. Of course. You are the good girl. That's their waterer. And like I said, we let them out so they're not in this, you know, mud pit all the time. They will get out, but for right now, they got to stay and just get adjusted. We have to lock the dogs up, and look at all them chickens. That's so cute. Anyway, we'll let them out. The best time of all, the best time of the day. Getting our eggs.
The wire.
It's right there. It's on there. Uh-oh, looks like we got someone new laying. I hope so. That'd be awesome. All right, Morgan, let the other box down. Oh, two more, two more.
We have some back there.
Hold on. Never mind, you can do it. Do it gently. All right, here's our eggs for the day. 8 eggs. Yeah. Nice. Okay, we're gonna head over to the okra. Okay, so fun story, fact. We have not been home for about 3 days. We went on vacation and then we went to church. So not only is the grass extremely big and tall, the okra is. And we are done with all this, so we just kind of let it grow up. This was our zucchini and our peas, and so Jake is gonna bush hog it at some point, but so we are going to probably throw a lot of this out. This okra is not any good. That one's probably not any good. They just have been got too big, but we still need to get them off of there. So this is what we wound up with. A huge bucket almost full, and then 5-gallon bucket all the way full. These are not good. These are overgrown and hard. Can't even move them, so I'm gonna go give this to the pig. Okay, so I'm gonna get our okra that is not any good, and we'll take to the pig. And if you were wondering, it is very hot. Yes. All right, let's go. Bring it over there. There they go. You've been laying in good. Hey, Mercy. I'm so happy. Uh-oh. Well, I sure didn't know y'all would want some. Here, let me go in there.
We gonna throw Daddy Pig and Mercy some. Mom's gonna go in there. Is that good? Oh my piggy goodness.
Y'all don't stink all the time. But y'all stink today. Okay, so one last thing before I go. We do have all this okra, and I just want to tell everybody what we're going to do with it real quick. We're going to cut it up. We're going to freeze it. And the goal is to have enough okra frozen to last us a year, which is what we did with our peas And oh, you can see some of the stuff right here: cucumbers, peas, relish, corn. Just the things we did with the garden this year. But if anybody was interested, a good way to cook okra, which an older lady at church just told me this a month or so ago, is to slice it and then beat an egg and put it in your egg, and then dip it in fish fry. And that is a really good way to cook okra, and that's what we like to do. So anyway, there's some of our canned goods, and which I pressure can. And so anyway, this is a lot of the things that we have. Just my shelves, and I have one more in our sunroom. So if anybody's interested in that, can let us know. And I was just gonna let you know what we were gonna do with all this okra. All right, that completes our video for today. All the chores got done, and I did them by myself. Well, not by myself. I had the kids with me, but the kids and I completed all the chores today. Dad got called into work, so that left me, the kids, and all of our pretty piglets to complete everything. And thank you for watching. If there's anything else y'all would like to see from us, you can leave it down in the comments. Like the video, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.